In this short practice, we are going to release stress and tension from the body and recalibrate ourselves to our natural, perfect state. So we begin just by closing your eyes and just noticing where you are. Just notice, first just starting off with the mind, tends to be the easiest. Just noticing where you are in your mind. What is your mind doing? Has it been thinking the same thoughts over and over, ruminating on something, questioning something? Just noticing how busy the mind is. And noticing the feeling inside the body. Any sensations, maybe you feel tightness, tense shoulders, tight back. Everything starts off as energy in motion, emotion, which starts from the thoughts that we're thinking or some type of reaction we've had. And then the body feels it through or reacts to it with tightness, aches, pains. So just noticing, how does your body feel? Does it feel loose or tense? Are there any aches and pains anywhere? It's going to start bouncing, shaking. So what this does, shaking creates a vibration in the body, and so you are literally vibrating out energy. It can happen on its own just through the bouncing alone, but the intention of releasing whatever is there really clears the energy from your system. So big inhales and big exhales. And really on the exhale, imagine as though you are literally releasing whatever that tension is, whatever those thoughts are, whatever those feelings are, out from your body. Feel them literally being purged from your body. Shoulders relaxed, everything's super loose. Like you're shaking off dead leaves off the tree. We'll stay here for a little bit, just really focusing on releasing whatever that energy is inside of you. And if you don't know, maybe just focusing on the tension. Maybe it's releasing a control. Usually it's some type of control. Control on how your day needs to go, how other people need to be, how your body needs to be, how your bank account needs to look. All of that. You can let all of that just go. Let it go for a moment. Empty yourself. Two more big exhales. Actually, let's just add the sound in. The sound is another form of vibration that can release it from your body. So just allowing yourself to make a sound, just allowing the sound to happen through you. The stronger the emotion, usually the stronger the sound will come out. If you're in public, you can just keep it more of a silent sound. But if you're not in public, really allow yourself to let it out. Don't worry about how it sounds. That's just another form of tension, another form of holding. Feeling the need that you need to look a certain way or sound a certain way. Not able to express yourself. All of that is stress, tension. Let it go. And stop. And just begin taking some deep breaths. Feeling the energy enter through your nose. Feeling its pure, clear, fresh qualities. And pulling that freshness, that pureness, that spirit, allowing it to fill your body. And when you're ready, begin bringing your hands, palms facing up to the sky. Pulling down heavenly chi. Pulling down the sky. Inhale, allowing your arms to rise like steam. Exhale, just allowing them to float down. In, out. Just feeling this like a waterfall of energy, of pure energy, which is all around us all the time. Allowing it to clean, cleanse, clear your body from head to toe. Allowing your body to become still and open and relaxed, just like nature. Reminding yourself that you're doing the best you can. Reminding yourself to let go of control. To allow life to move you. Bringing your feet together, hand on your heart, or both hands. And just allowing your body to soften and melt so much that your body just sways back and forth, side to side, forward and back, at whatever way it feels. Allowing the chi to move you. Allowing yourself to surrender to life. to let go of control, to remain in your heart. Your heart knows the way, always. Just need to make that transition, those 12 inches from your head to your heart. That's all we're trying to do. And from this place would be a good time to get clarity on what your next step is. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for your energy and your presence. If you enjoyed this practice, definitely hit subscribe so we can practice together each week. And if you haven't checked it out already, I have a 4-week Qigong course that is totally free. It's a great intro course for those of you guys that are new to Qigong or Tai Chi. And you can find that in the links below.